Dear learners, how are you? Those are watching my video. I hope that everyone is doing fit and fine. And I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So as you know that I have a lot of students. I have been teaching them about spoken English. So it's a very good thing for me because of from my childhood I also loved English, and now I have a profession that I can teach them about spoken English. I have been teaching English for 2 months. By practicing English every day, it will be more comfortable to speak English fluently with another person. So everyone who want to learn English, I have a suggestion for you. You have to practice regularly in English. By practicing your English skill, definitely you will be more comfortable to speak English fluently, and day by day will remove your shyness. Day by day will remove your weakness in English. So you know that in the beginning everybody do mistake like you, so don't worry about your mistake. Just make mistake and practice every day, and never lose hope and never give up. Inshallah you will be able to speak English fluently. I can grant it to you. So no more today. Allah Hafiz.